In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your reposts private on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple if you ever want to go ahead and do this. Firstly, open up your TikTok application. You're going to be on your For You page, which by the way, this works exactly the same whether you're on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. And on the bottom right, I'm going to see my profile icon. So go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to see the reposts icon as well. So from here, I can see any of the reposts that I might have previously made. Now, what I want to go ahead and do is on the top right, I'm going to see those three lines. So go ahead and click on those. I'm going to see a few different options. And I just want to go over to settings and privacy. Now, from here, you're going to see a lot of different options. But under account section, I'm going to go to privacy. When you go to interactions, there's no one-stop method to just make all your reposts private while keeping your account public. So what you're gonna have to do is go upwards and make your entire account private, like I've done so right there. And then that's it. Your reposts are basically gonna be private that way. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other videos that we've been posting on the channel.